Hey there, ladies. Good morning to you. A lot of people are really making their way to the beach, hoping to be able to cool off, but health experts are saying before you head to the beach, go for a run or spend hours outdoors, make sure you check the air quality. While today's concern is high ozone pollution, tomorrow's concern is that threat of wildfire smoke coming down from Canada that Laura just mentioned, which could add another layer of unhealthy air. Take a look. This is video from this morning from CBS News Skywatch, and that flight shows a hazy city skyline. It was a similar story just yesterday, and that haze combined with days of extreme heat has prompted an air quality alert across the Chicago area. The Illinois EPA says today's air is expected to reach levels that are unhealthy for sensitive groups, which include children, older adults, people with asthma or heart disease, and people who work or exercise outdoors. Then tomorrow, CBS News Chicago has a weather alert in place. Wildfire smoke from Canada is expected to reach northern Illinois, adding fine particles that can travel deep into the lungs.
There are particles in the smoke stream that are so small that they can actually get to the deepest portions of your lungs and from there get into your bloodstream.
Experts say today is a good reminder to treat the air quality the same way that you would treat the weather when you're checking your phone or checking in with your local meteorologist. But make sure you check all of that before you go outside. If you notice a new cough, shortness of breath, or even feel winded more easily, that means you need to head inside. We're live at Montrose Beach this morning. I'm Darius Johnson. Dana Audrina, back to you.